showing in the normal screen these four parameters, A601 through A604, allows you to customize what parameters are shown and in what order. So it makes very simple programming to fit your application. Looking at the B parameters are what you set at the beginning for your motor parameters. Again, your rated input voltage, the motor voltage, the motor current. In this case, it's set for the default on the drive, 147 amps. By setting this, you set up the overload protection for your motor. The motor frequency, 60 hertz. The motor speed, in this case, set it for 1800 RPM for a 4-pole motor. B106, your output, which in this case is 75 kilowatt or 100 horsepower drive. Number of poles, again a 4-pole motor, 1800 RPM motor. And your no-load voltage when you're running in vector mode. And the encoder pulses. If you have a closed-loop system, you can set the number of pulses per revolution out of your encoder. Many of the parameters in the drive, especially in the C mode as we're in now, are only set up at the initial startup on the drive. In this case, C101 is what you set for the digital input. In this case, it's jog select. If we go through digital input 2, E-stop, the default reset, the preset speeds, 1, 2, and 3. So those are the default parameters, and it makes easy selection and changes to the digital inputs by just changing that parameters. If you look through the open collector outputs, 1, 2, 3, and 4, you can change out what you have assigned to your open collector outputs. And then C111 is your programmable relay 1. In this case, it's set to run, so whenever the drive's running, your contact is closed. And for relay number 2, it's unused at the time, but you can set that, and again, those are both Form C contacts.